This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual zone climate control, a navigation system, a rear view camera, a premium audio system, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, XM satellite radio, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.